functions. The functions which return some values are called non-void functions. The functions does not return any values are called void functions. Non-void functions are return values. Okay, return values. Void functions, no return value. Okay, otherwise you can call it as a non-void function as a fruitful function. Okay, fruitful in the sense we have created this function for doing some purpose. Okay, so if it's returned some value means it does its purpose, so it is a useful for us. That's why it is called as a fruitful function. In the case of void function, it does not return any value, right? It is a non-fruitful function. Even after writing the function also, it is not useful for us. It is not going to return anything. Okay. So even if it is there in that program, it does nothing. So that's why it is called as a non-fruitful function. Non-fruitful functions. Okay. Next we will see non-void function with one simple program. So here I am going to write the program for addition. Okay. Here I am going to write the function for addition, adding two values. X and Y are the two values and I ended with colon. Here what I am going to do, S is equal to X plus Y. Okay. Then I am going to return that value yes. Okay. Whatever value stored in that is X plus Y added value will be stored in the yes, and that yes value I am going to return to the main program. Okay. Now the main program starts. R is equal to sum of, here I am calling the function with the values. Okay, here I am calling the function with the values. Then I am going to print that value. Here what I am doing is, I called the function here. Whatever output I am getting from the function, what is the answer it's returning from the function, I am storing that in the R. Okay. Identifier R I am storing that, then I am going to print that R. Let us see what is the output. So you can see here 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so function does not return a single value, it can able to return a multiple values. Okay, let us see that. So here I have returned the function sum function alone. It is going to add the values. For example, I am adding one more action here, difference. It is going to calculate the difference. So D is equal to X minus Y, and it is going to return the two value S comma D. Okay, and it is going to return sum value and difference value it is going to return. Here I am calling the function, and in printer it is going to return two values. Okay, two values going to store in R. Let us control S. Now I am going to execute this. Here you can see the answer 9 comma minus 1. Okay, so what the Python consider this as a tuple because it gives you the two values. So what Python will consider this as a tuple. Okay, so in order to unpack the tuple, what we have to do is, here I can give R1 comma R2. Okay, R1 comma R2 equal to sum underscore diff 4 comma 5, and here I can print R1, then I can print R2. Control S, and here I am executing it. You can see here. Now I broke this tuple and I am unpacking this tuple. Okay, now it is a integer. Before that it was a tuple. Python considered as a tuple. Now I unpack that made as a separate integer. Okay, so from this what you understand is a function does not return a single value, it can return a multiple values. Here S and D, sum of the numbers and difference of the numbers, it is going to return, it is going to come out from the function. Okay, next one is non-fruitful function, that is a void function. Void function, what it does? It does nothing. It won't going to return any value. Okay. So here I am declaring one function. Def is a keyword, and just simply I am giving the function name greet. Okay. And the empty braces colon. Here what I am going to give is print hello. This is the work I am assigning to this particular function. Print hello. Then A is equal to, I am here calling the function greet. Then I am going to print A. Okay. Here what I am doing is I have created a function, greet function. In that, what is the work I am assigning to it? It has to print a hello. Okay. Here I am greet. I am calling the function. Whatever function has to do will be saved in A. Okay, so next I am going to print A, but here function is not going to return anything. Okay, let us see the output, you can understand clearly. You can see here print of A. Okay, this hello is because of this print hello. Okay, and this print of A does not do anything. None. It has returned none. From function we got only none because the function does not return any values. Okay, so this hello is from the inside the function print hello. Outside the main program does not receive any value from the function. That's why it is mentioned as none. Okay, this is all about the types of functions. Next we will see the scope of the variables. Thank you.